Fireworks without firework. Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a bamboo cannon. First, you need a log of bamboo. When you cut this, cut it 5 bamboo nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here you want to cut this. Okay, the next part is you need the external hole here. And now you should make another internal hole here. Without breaking last bamboo node, you should make an internal hole here. And I use this crowbar for breaking this bamboo. And now everything is okay. You want to make bracket for hold your bamboo cannon like this. Now put kerosene oil here. Okay, now you need to heat up this one little by little. I use this dry coconut leaves for this process. Don't heat up quickly because it's cause for blasting this one.
Blowing and doing like this, and now spark.